Okay, I just wanted to do this real quick video to show you guys how to use Zotero, just the basics of it, how to log in, how to get some of the basic information that you need to do it. First of all, you need to launch for Zotero. This is the icon for Zotero down here. If you don't see it on the bottom of the laptop, just go over here to the window key. And if you click on the letter, this is the fastest way to find it. Click on the letter, on any letter or anything, it's going to bring up the alphabet. Just go down to Z. See right here is Zotero. And it's going to launch it up. Now, when it comes up, it may be already logged in for somebody because they'd forgotten to log out of it. If that's the case, you need to log out first so you can log in for your own. To do that, simply go up here to Edit, down to Preferences. Come over here to Sync and Unlink Account. Now, when you unlink the account, this window is going to come up and you want to remove my Zotero data from this computer. All this is going to do is going to take all the stuff that's been saved and remove it. It's not going to remove it from the web, from the cloud, where everything is stored. Every time you log in, even when you unlink, you will still have access to it once you log back in. So once you do that, now you're all logged out and you're going to want to log in as yourself. Same thing, go to Edit, Preferences, go to Sync. Now, the first time you do this, you're going to need to create an account. So just go over here to create an account and it's going to bring this up. And you want to create a username. So go ahead and create your username. And oh, well, I've already used that, so that's why it's not. And that is too. How about this? There we go. Okay, then you would do your, you want to use your MS, excuse me, your MS email, your school email. It's going to write that, type that in twice. Do, come up with a password, verify the password. Click I'm not a robot and then register. It will then send an email to your school email. Just go to click on that to confirm your account and you're off and running. This is free. It's not going to cost you anything and gives you access to with any computer. All you need to do is install it. So once we do that, let's minimize this. So we then log in. I'll log in with my account. Okay, and here we go. So now we say okay. So real quick, I just want to show you how to grab some of, just a couple of ways to get the information that you need. First way is to grab the information from an article. So I did a search here on Google Scholar for the Red Scare in the 1920s, and let's use this one, a study in nativism. So let's just click on that. And we can read it online for free. Now, most documents you're going to find here are going to have what's called a DOI number. That's going to be this number right here. And that's what we want to use to get the information that we want. The DOI number is a lot like an ISBN number, where an ISBN number identifies books by a unique number. DOI is Digital Object Identifier. So it just identifies all digital objects, all articles and things on the internet with its own number. So what I'm going to do is highlight it and hit Control-C. Then come back over here to Zotero. Now, right up here, there's an icon that looks like a little magic wand. If we click on that, it says, okay, enter the ISBN, DOI, or other ID number. Just paste our DOI number in there, hit enter, and as if by magic, all of that information comes up in here. This is all the information that's going to be that Zotero will need to plug in any kind of in-text citation into your document. Okay. The other way to get information is with an ISBN number. So here, Amazon, I found this book, Dream of the Enlightenment, The Rise of Modern Philosophy. Right over here, we see the ISBN numbers. There are two. You can use either one. But we're going to use the ISBN 10 number. Same exact process for doing this. Just click on the magic wand, paste in the ISBN number, hit enter. Zotero will look that up, and here it is, all the information that it's going to need. Okay, I just wanted to add this other piece. There's another way to get information into your Zotero, and that is with the handy dandy icon up on the side. So say what you're looking for didn't have a DOI or an ISBN number. Say you wanted to use a video or any other web pages, so work for any web page at all. Here I found this Enlightenment documentary on YouTube, say we wanted to use it. If we look up here right on the address bar, right next to it, there will be an icon. It's going to be, usually it's going to be that first icon after the address bar, after the bookmark this page. If we just click on that, so where we're going to save it, hit OK. Now we come back into our Zotero, we will see here it is. Okay. Now when it comes time for adding your sources into a document, using Zotero for your citations, and specifically when you start to use it for your annotated bibliography, this is the way that you're going to want to do it. Okay. Now Zotero works with either Microsoft Word or Google Docs, and the process is pretty much exactly the same. Both will have a tab that you want to click on. It'll bring up the Zotero stuff. First thing you want to do when you want to add it is just add a citation. So the first thing that's going to ask you first time you do this, is what do you want to use? What style do you want to use for your citations? We want to use the MLA 8th edition. So just highlight Modern Language Association 8th edition and hit OK. Now, to add your citation, just click Add or Edit Citation and find the one that you want to use. Let's start with the A Study in Nativism, and just hit OK. And that's going to add the in-text citation for it right there. Now you're also going to need a bibliography, and Zotero will do this for you automatically as well. Just click Add or Edit Bibliography, and it's going to add all of that, the entire MLA citation down here. Okay, when it comes time to add our next citation, we'll just come up here, click Add or Edit Citation, and we'll come down here to the Dream of Enlightenment. So highlight that, hit OK, and it's going to add it up here, and you'll see it will add it automatically down here on the bottom. And if we do that again to our next one, the Enlightenment documentary, that last one we looked at, just click on that and you'll see it adds it. Now what's really cool is it's going to add it exactly where it is that it needs to go. It's going to add it alphabetically. So that is really handy. Okay, so that is basically how to use Zotero. I've only just barely touched the surface of what Zotero will do. I would recommend, if you're at all interested, going through, jumping on YouTube, look for some Zotero tutorials, look at some of the amazing things that this really handy tool is capable of doing. This tool will serve you not only for the project that we're doing now, but also for any project that you're going to do in any class for as long and as far as you go in school. It is really a powerful tool, and one that I highly recommend really getting your head around how to use. But with that, have at it and good luck.